Today I'm going to be installing this LED phone mount for your Tesla. Obviously, you can use it for any Tesla. They make these for the Tesla Model Y, Cybertruck, Tesla Model 3, Juniper, etc. And we're going to show you how easy it is to install this new phone mount. Now, it does have some LED stuff that you can see that goes around the screen. We got this from Tesery, I think that's how you say that. And I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to get it installed. Before we get too deep on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget, once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $200. All right. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video. All right. So it's really simple how to install this thing, even with no instructions. I feel like anybody can do this. So it comes with this little frame like this. And then on this side, you'll get a magnet for if your phone doesn't have like the MagSafe, you can put that on your phone to make it magnetically connect to this part. But I'm going to try without the magnet to see if it works. Now, all right, so we're going to try to just put this thing on without breaking it. I think this is pretty much how it goes on because I don't see what other way it would go on. You don't need to take the screen off. And I don't want to break it because you can't go from behind and put it on. So I would assume you have to just snap it on like this. But we're going to use this side because try it like this. I don't want to break it. And I don't want to break it. Oh my gosh. Please. Because I don't know any other way to get this thing on without. Okay. All right. We're getting somewhere. All right. Boom. Boom. Okay. So I was just being scared. All right. Cool. So that's how simple and easy it is to put it on. And now, as you can see, you have this phone mount here. And the frame is on now. Okay, so if I wanted to mount my phone, I can hopefully just put it right there without needing the MagSafe. So now my phone is there, which not too bad. That's not bad at all. That's decent. I like that. So now your phone's mounted on there. You don't have to worry about your phone, while you're driving. I do have a phone mount here on the left side, but it's not too bad right there. I do honestly like that a little better. Now it is blocking the screen right here on this corner, but I mean, hey, we're not worried about that while you're driving. You shouldn't be worried about that at all. So that's really neat. That's good. Now we're going to plug in the light so we can see what it looks like with the LED on. You also get this remote, so if you want to change the colors and stuff like that, you can do that as well. And of course, there is instructions for how to get the app set up and everything like that. Now, if your phone has MagSafe, then this will work. You don't need to add the extra magnet to your case. I think that magnet is for if you don't have a MagSafe case, you could add it to there, and now your phone will be able to just do it. But I have a MagSafe case, so I don't need to have the magnet on there. It's pretty sturdy for what it is. You're also going to get this USB-C cord that you're going to plug in and connect to a USB port in the vehicle so that you can light up the border around the display itself. So let's do that now. Very simple. Your USB port is right under here. You're going to plug that in like that, and now it's plugged in. And you want to try to hide the cord as much as you can because it will look a little crazy with it just kind of hanging. So I'm going to kind of wrap it like this. If you have some tape or um, double-sided tape, I would suggest just probably using that. And then let me get it hooked up real quick. Luckily, I have this USB port just right here that I can plug it into. And now it's plugged in. So as you can see, it's starting to light up. And there it is. So let's move this cord back here. And let's see if we can use the remote to change the colors on it. Let me get it out of this wrap. So yeah, that's how simple and easy it is to install this thing. We do get a remote, which makes it really easy to change different colors. Green there, we got blue, teal, yellow, orange, a couple different modes if you want to have a little bit of fun with it. All right, so you got this mode. That's pretty cool. You got this mode here. I think it goes based on when you talk and the sound. So that's pretty cool. They usually always have that mode. Let's see what else we got. Another one of those. But we're going to just leave it on red because that's my favorite one. And just that's how simple and easy it is. So really easy to install one of these. If you want to pick this up, I will have a link in the description box down below for you. We got this from Tesery and really easy to set up. It's going to look really good at night. And I love the phone mount here. I think it's a wireless charger too. Am I tweaking or is it? Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I'm tweaking, but I thought it was. Yeah, see, it is a wireless charger as well. So really, really cool. You can charge your phone, have a mount, and have some cool little display color going on with the screen. So that's really cool. If you want a unique phone mount that charges your phone, I would suggest picking this up from Tesery. Really nice and simple. So, I do have my phone mount over here, but it doesn't charge my phone. But this one here, it does charge my phone, and that is really, really neat. If you already have MagSafe on your phone, you don't have to worry about adding the magnet. It'll automatically just work if you have MagSafe on your case or on your device itself. So really neat. I do love that. That is cool. I have a man, I don't got a man, dude. I love that. I don't gotta plug a cord in to charge my phone. Say no more. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that, show you how simple it is to connect and hook up this wireless phone mount, aka screen, color, LED, whatever you want to call it. All right. We got this from Tesery. I will have a link in the description box for you guys. So if you want to pick one up, go ahead and click that link and get set up today. All right, well, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $200. All right, Scoofy here, and I'm out.